Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of receipts, unsure of how to tame the expense beast? Well, fear not, fellow expense warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Expensify, and we're going to simplify the process of submitting those pesky receipts. Expensify is a powerful tool that can streamline your expense reporting, but it can be a bit daunting for newcomers. So, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Accessing your Expensify account. Log in. Start by logging into your Expensify account. If you're new, you'll need to create an account first. Mobile app versus web. You can use either the Expensify mobile app or the web portal. Both methods offer similar functionalities. Step 2. Creating a new report. Tap the New Report button. Whether you're on the app or the web, locate and tap the New Report button. Basic information. Fill in the essential details, such as the report name, date range, and any specific project or client it's associated with. Step 3. Adding receipts. Method 1. Manual entry. Basic information. Manually input the date, merchant name, amount, and category for each expense. Detailed descriptions. Add any relevant notes or descriptions to provide context for your expense. Method 2. Mobile app photo capture. Snap a photo. Use your phone's camera to capture clear images of your receipts. Upload to Expensify. The app will automatically extract information from the receipt, such as date, merchant, and amount. Method 3. Web portal upload. Drag and drop. Simply drag and drop your scanned or digital receipts onto the upload area. Select files. Alternatively, use the File Selection button to choose your receipts. Step 4. Categorizing and tagging. Assign categories. Categorize your expenses to help with analysis and reporting. Add tags. Use tags to further organize your expenses, such as client, project, or business trip. Step 5. Submitting your report. Review and confirm. Double-check your report for accuracy and completeness. Submit. Once you're satisfied, submit your report for approval. Additional tips. Optimize receipt photos. Ensure clear, well-lit photos for accurate data extraction. Use Expensify's SmartScan feature. This feature can automatically extract information from receipts, saving you time. Set up automatic mileage tracking. If you frequently incur mileage expenses, enable automatic mileage tracking to simplify the process. Explore Expensify's advanced features. Dive deeper into features like policy enforcement, integrations, and custom workflows to tailor the tool to your specific needs. By following these steps and leveraging Expensify's powerful features, you can streamline your expense reporting process and save valuable time. With a little practice, you'll be a pro at submitting receipts and managing your expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.